So what if taking the 3-day workshop doesn't work for you, and you still feel after finishing the workshop that you don't really have a great grasp of whether you can really achieve learning to code? Well, the good thing about it is that you will not only get access to the 3-day course, you will also get access to continued support after the course is over, because you will be part of a community of people who are trying to learn, and I'll be there to answer questions. And I will be there to come in on a regular basis in the group to provide support. If you are working on a project after the course is over and you have questions about coding and are getting stuck, I'm going to be there for you. And all you need to do is post in the group your coding questions, and I will also be able to address those questions in sessions where I may be able to help not only you, but other people in the group who might have similar questions, or if necessary, we can also arrange some one-on-one time. So it is my intention to help you learn how to code. So I want to be there for you so that you can achieve this goal, and I want to be supporting you. So even if you take the course and you feel like after that 3-day period that you still don't have a great handle on what you're doing, I will also be there to continue to support you. Presented by Designers Learn Code.